Tinnitus, the annoying ringing and how to make it better. When dealing with the loud and annoying condition of tinnitus, you need to know how to properly handle the situation. This video will help you find the best solution for your tinnitus. You have suffered enough, now take the time to do something you and your ear will not forget. Learn to control your stress. You can use a variety of methods such as yoga, meditation, support groups, or making sure you get enough sleep. Anything that helps you decrease stress in your life is worth doing. The more stressed you are feeling, the more tinnitus flares up or bothers you. Be patient when taking medications to deal with tinnitus. What many tinnitus patients do not realize is that it is common for these medications to take a while to settle in, which is why they stop taking them so quickly. It is important to continue taking the medication and you will see positive results soon. Research some relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation. For many people, being stressed can make the tinnitus worse, and the tinnitus itself causes you stress. This positive feedback loop can be broken through the use of relaxation techniques, which can help reduce the incidence of tinnitus in your life. To stay positive in the face of your condition, seek out a tinnitus support group. It can be difficult for people to understand what you're going through if they don't have tinnitus themselves. Talking to people who really understand your struggles can be wonderful. If there's not a support group in your area, try to find one online. With tinnitus being a quite common problem, much research has been done on the subject. Now that you have taken the knowledge from the research in this video, benefit from it and make your life that much better. Not dealing with the annoying condition of tinnitus will make you wonder how you ever lived with it in the first place. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus. And what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.